Hello, hi, how are you doing? So on today's video I'm in Kisii. So I would like to show you my room, the room that I'm staying in. So enjoy the video. So this is the door, the entrance door. That's how it looks. And then on this side I have my stuff. I have a lot of stuff there. I have my work, the bag I carry to work, and then I have food. And I don't think I'll be in a position to finish that food at this rate. Yeah, so that's the table and the chair. And then on this side I have the bed. So that's my bed. The room is so spacious. And then I have my shoes over there. So I'm standing next to the door right now. Then I have my towels there and stuff, my personal stuff that I came with. That's how it looks. And then when you come to this side, this is how it looks. I actually had not noticed I don't have a towel. They didn't give me a towel today. Probably it's because they always see me with a towel. Anyway, yeah, so this is how it looks. Then I have a mirror here. Yeah, so that's me. That's the way it looks there. Then here we have the shower and the washroom. So that's how it looks. And then this is a curtain. Sliding windows. Yeah, that's the light. Yeah, so that's how it looks. And that's the room tour for this place. So thank you for watching. I see you on my next one. Bye.